Step inside, it's a world on lock. Default text got us keeping watch like a hawk. CTV, I scanning every move. In this smart home maze, we got nothing to prove. Access control, only real ones get through. Automated gates slide open, it's true. No more worries, our safety's on deck. With tech by our side, what do we expect? We're the guardians of the night. Default tech shining bright. In a world that's always in motion. We're the peace, we're the potion. Secure your dreams, we got your back. With every beat, you feel the track. These barriers keep the danger at bay. In the heart of the home, we'll always stay. Feel the pulse through the walls, it's alive. Automated systems watch us thrive. Smart locks whisper secrets, doors open wide. The tech is our armor, it's a joyful ride. From dusk till dawn, we're invincible. With every glance captured, it's unforgettable. No thief can creep, no fear can reside. If a tech's watch, we take it in stride. Let the world outside hustle and fight. We're bathed in the glow, everything's right. A digital fortress, we hold the key. In the chaos of life, we find tranquility. With every gadget sinks, dreams built on code. This is the home where our love's bestowed. So step with confidence, we're safe and sound. D20's magic all around. In a dance of security, we'll find our way. Guardians united, come what may.